thing you gotta pack your outfits when you're riding long rides on a motorcycle. You ain't got a lot of room. You want to leave your shirt out there. You might be able to stretch your pants over a couple days, so we're just going to go with shirt, socks, underwear. Bring that into the middle. Bring that one into the middle. Lay your undies out there. Socks. And one, lay right there. And the other one, lay right there. Leave a little bit sticking out. And then you roll. Okay, you got that. You take, kind of need two people for this, but I don't have extra hands, so put that right there. You ain't got a lot of luggage on the motorcycle anyway. You can do this for each day, which I'm going to do. So you have fresh underwear and socks and a shirt. You might be able to stretch your pants, so you can't really do it with blue jeans. So. Alright, let's show you a little bit of what we got going on here. We got our clothes rolls all rolled up for 4 days worth, and then we got our first day's outfit there, and wearing my long sleeve Harley one on the first day. I'm trying to wear a lot of long sleeve stuff because it is going to be hot and very sunny where we're going. So we got plenty of options for storage on the bike. We got the new bag that goes on top of the tour pack. We got the tour pack itself and the saddlebags. This saddlebag is going to be like tools, sunscreen, well, some sunscreen, and some other stuff that we need to get to if we had to real quick. Inside the tour pack is going to be, I'm going to leave room for my helmet for most of the trip because I'm not wearing that thing the whole time. I'm going to wear it sometimes to talk to Dave and stuff. I'm going to bring my half shell helmet, because I don't feel like wearing this thing all the time. So we're going to fill this sucker up with I don't know what, and I have a duffel bag that we're going to go, it's going to be right there on the back seat, so that way we have duffel bag, saddlebags, tour pack, and that, and Dave's bringing a bag for his stuff. We got to save room, we got to bring the laptop, that's for transferring footage and pictures and all that every day, because every day is going to be a video. I kind of been thinking about that. It's going to make it a lot easier than everybody watching a 2-hour video. So we're going to have 360 footage in there too of major cities and big attractions we're going to. So there'll be that to look forward to. So yeah, every day is going to be a video. But we're going to make the videos when we get back. So I'll start with day 1. Day 2, day 3, and so on and so forth. It's going to be 8 days on the road, 2,000 miles. It's going to be fun. And I'm bringing my jump pack because you never know when might have a dead battery. So that sucker will start a diesel truck, and I guarantee it'll start a motorcycle. So we're going to take the duffel bag in, get it loaded up with all the stuff. I want to put mostly clothes in this because it'll fit behind me on that seat with no problem. I don't have to worry about bending or breaking anything. So I'll leave the laptop and stuff and put it in the top part because that's waterproof. So I'm gonna go here and finish packing and probably come back tomorrow. Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday when Dave's gonna be coming over to get everything settled, get everything fixed up on his bike. I think he's got to adjust his handlebars or something like that. I think we're gonna work on GoPro angles for all the GoPros. We have like 6 altogether between the two of us, so it's going to be pretty good footage. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It is Saturday. We're waiting on Dave to show up so we can finish packing, getting everything set up, and tomorrow is the day. Super nervous because never rode this far, but it should be fine. Motorcycle should be fine. So we're waiting on Uncle Dave to get here and we will continue this video. It's not horrible.
Not
Need
horrible.
a little right there.
Yeah.
Don't push too hard.
I'm not.
There you go. It's a lot.
A lot better.
Kind of matches the other side now. Well, Dave had a dent in his speaker grill when he picked his bike up yesterday. We're fixing it.
Ta-da!
It's not too bad.
No.
It's got a little right there, but
Yeah, I can see it right there, but better than what it was.
yeah, it was caved in pretty good on this side. The other side was not bad. It kind of matches now, so now we just need to wait for it to wash it. So it's hot. So we had to run to town and make a couple stops. Dave got his cup for his cup holder, pretty yellow, and his little hoodie because it's gonna be cold in the morning.
It ain't gonna be cold, it's gonna be chilly.
Yeah, chilly. So now we go back home and probably wash the bikes. Well, wash his bike because it's disgusting. And
I'll watch, he does it.
yeah, I'll wash it and he's gonna watch and make stupid comments. So it's like a little dresser chair looking thing, black. That's where I seen it the other day. Ow.
I gotta get me and you a freaking tire scrubber. Thing that sticks through the freaking...
Alright everybody, welcome back to the garage. We got Dave's bike in here now. We're gonna do a little final detail because it is nasty still. We just got like little bug spots everywhere. Chrome's gonna be shined up. We just gotta put the bags back on after we clean them up. So yeah, me get Dave's bike all ready. Mine's chilling outside. She is all ready to go. We just gotta pack them up tonight. And in the morning we can just get on and roll. So we'll come back in a little bit and show you when it's all done and put back together. Okay, and we got to adjust his cup holder. It's gonna come up a little bit, and this here is gonna come up a little bit, I think, as he got new bars. He got side swiped the other day, so they were bent, and his foot peg was bent, so they got new pegs, floorboards, and handlebars and stuff. So we'll come back in a few minutes or a couple hours whenever we get done and show you the finished product. All right, welcome back. We got Dave's old moped clean.
Moped?
Moped. And we're testing out camera angles now because we're going to be, of course, vlogging the whole thing. So we got the most of it. We got the 360 set up on my bike in a good spot, so you can't see the stick. We're going to go eat some supper and try to get to bed kind of early because we're leaving about 6. That would just make us waking up at 5. So that'll put us, we got 561 miles the first day. So I think we'll just make this part here its own little video, like the pre-ride, getting everything ready, just hanging out and doing stuff like that. And then the first day we'll make its own video. So yeah, Dave's is a Road Glide. That's a nice bike. He needs a little taller sissy bar for his luggage, but it works. And I got all my luggage over there on my couch. It's not gonna be a 360 like this all the time. It's just temporary, just on the stuff we want to show off. All right, as you can see, we got the girls all packed away in the garage for tonight. Probably finish up putting a bunch of stuff in the saddlebags and getting some tools together, but that's probably gonna be it for this part of the video. This first video, first day, which is tomorrow. We start at 6 a.m. headed for Tampa on the first leg, and that'll be its own video itself. Just mostly riding videos, riding clips. So, hi Dave. Just ending the video. All right, so like I said, that's probably gonna be it for this little section of the video. Stay tuned for the first day ride video coming up. After this one,
Deuces!
This is Dave. If anybody hasn't met him, he's been in a couple of the videos. But yeah, got the girls all packed away for tonight. We're gonna finish packing and see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.